Hello, Sirah. So today I will walk you through on how I made a starter feed for my birds. Now, making starter feed is just like making other feed, but there are some things you need to add, and there are some things you need to do, especially in terms of fine grinding the feed. So, looking at this feed I'm about to bring out, you notice that this feed has been fine washed. We have done, let's say, 50% of the work in this feed. So the remaining thing I just want to show you, maybe in the next video I will show you how we did the 50% of the work. Alright, so what we have inside this bag are three ingredients, which is maize, soya beans, and wheat over. And why do we have those three first ingredients? Because we need to fine crush it. Alright, fine crushing means that you're taking it to the machine and trying to smooth it to this level that it is now. So that is what we call fine crushing. And the feed you are seeing me putting on top of it is actually the one we used in the last production that we made. So we are actually trying to mix everything together because they are both the same feed formulation. So if you want to know about the feed formulation, you can check your description. You can check the description section. You will see an ebook there which you can learn from. Okay, so we are trying to mix the feed with concentrate now. And what is concentrate? Concentrate is a supplement which will enhance the nutrients of the feed. Alright, and this one I'm trying to mix is broiler concentrate because the birds I'm about to bring are both broilers and this thing and drought bed are birds like NOILERs and COCKREL. So all these feed we serve for the both of them because they are of day old. So what am I trying to do here? I'm trying to make sure that I spread the broiler concentrate to every part of the feed, because one of the mistakes that most farmers do is not spreading or mixing their feed ingredients well. So due to I don't want such to happen to me, I need to take my time and spread the feed, the concentrate very well, and not only spreading it, also try to mix it very well. All right. So the normal assumption for mixing feed is actually 4 times. That is normal assumption. You need to mix it 4 times. So try in your farm anytime you want to mix feed, try to mix it well. Make sure that every ingredient mixed together, and with that you have a proper feed for your animal. Now for the mixing, you know I said the proper way to make the feed is actually 4 times. So you see the way I will make the feed from the way I mix the feed so that every ingredient will meet with each other. So just try and watch it to the end so that you can have a full idea on how the feed formulation works. Alright, so that is all for this video, but you can just continue to watch the rest.